皆さん、
今日はウォルト・ディズニー・ワールドのディズニー・スプリングスに来ていて、期間限定のショーディズニー・ドリームス・ダット・ソアを初めて鑑賞しに行きたいと思います。ショーの最後には私たちの感想もシェアするので、最後までお見逃しなく。
Disney Dreams That Soar is a limited-time drone show that brings to life beloved Disney tales and characters in all new ways. It features a whopping 800 drones, as well as well-known and beloved soundtracks, in addition to an original song. The show will be performed nightly at Disney Springs through September the 2nd, and you can check out the show times on the My Disney Experience app.
それでは情報はここまでにして、早速ショーを見に行き
行きまし
ましょう。
ょう。
Good evening. Right here, underneath this starlit sky, a timeless adventure is about to unfold. Inspired by the magic makers, heroes, and dreamers who have come before. Now, unleash your heart, let your imagination fly, and discover just where you'll go as we present Disney Dreams That Soar.
Straight on to a morning.
My name is Doug. I just met you, and I love you.
I want to learn the ways of the Force and become a Jedi like my father.
You've taken your first step into a larger world. That's not moon. It's a space station.
Coming in, wait, wait! Watch that crossfire, boys! Watch it, you've got one on your tail! Baymax, wings! Thrusters! Flying makes me a better healthcare companion. Hey, you know what? There's another name you might know me by.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Dance off, bro!
Come on, Drax. Dance.
There are two types of beings in the universe. Those who dance and those who do not.
I'm gonna die surrounded by the biggest idiots in the galaxy. Did that look cool?
Yeah, that looked cool.
To infinity and beyond!
A whole new world, where new beginnings never get old. If you're feeling small, you can fly away. A new adventure's coming your way. Right where you wanna be, where the magic feels like family. Let's go to a place where dreams come true. You can be you and the hero too. The thunder in your heart, to prepare for the dark. Because when it's time to spread your wings, you'll see that
Remember, there's no limit to how far you can go when you have dreams that soar.
Friends, thank you for joining us for Disney Dreams That Soar, presented by AT&T.
Disney Dreams That Soar.
Wow.
That was amazing, babe.
Yeah.
And I know you love drone shows, so you must have really enjoyed it.
Honestly, Disney World, for your first ever drone show, congratulations. It was amazing.
It was. The drones were huge. It was way bigger scale than I expected.
Yeah. You know how much I love the drone show in Disneyland Paris. And ever since Walt Disney World announced that a drone show was coming, you know I've been so excited.
Oh yeah, you've been talking about it non-stop, babe.
Yeah, and man, I was pleasantly surprised. It was awesome.
Yeah, it was awesome. I love the drones, and I love how gigantic they were, and I love the characters and IPs that was featured, and I also love the music, including the original music that they created for this show.
That song was so good. It was so catchy, and it was pretty inspirational as well. I really liked it. So then, what was your favorite part of the show?
Well, of course, it's gotta be Grogu and Mando.
I knew it.
If you know, I love Grogu and Mando, so I have to give it to Grogu and Mando. But also, I love Baymax because he was huge. What about you, babe?
So for me, lo and behold, my favorite parts are pretty much almost the same. Yeah, as you know, I love Mando and Grogu. And I also love Baymax. His transformation into his battle armor was amazing. But I also loved Star Wars. When they played that iconic theme and you heard Obi-Wan Kenobi talking, oh man, I can hold my excitement.
I know, like I felt everybody was excited and people were like cheering, going like, "Wah!"
Yeah.
And that was really fun.
Yeah, I was one of those people cheering.
Me too. So I would say overall, the show is a must-watch if you are visiting Disney Springs.
Yeah, I would say so. And I think for a lot of people, the best part of this show is that it's free.
That's right.
It's a theme park caliber nighttime show for $0.00.
Like it's crazy to think that this show is free. It's that amazing. Like don't underestimate it just because it's free. It's amazing. So please go watch it.
Yeah, definitely theme park caliber. Thank you, Disney, for the gift. We really appreciate it. Now that Disney World has finally brought drone technology to the parks here in Florida, I'm so looking forward to how they may integrate it into the parks in the future.
Oh, that's right.
You know how well they did it in Disneyland Paris. So hopefully they can replicate something like that.
それでは私たちはここディズニースプリングスでディズニードリームズダッツソアというドローンショーを目いっぱい楽しんだということで皆さんもこのビデオを楽しんで見てくれてると嬉しいです。ビデオを楽しんだらぜひいいねをよろしくお願いします。そしてまだの方はマークサイロストインワールドにチャンネル登録とチャンネルの通知をオンにして今後のビデオも見逃さないようにしてください。それでは最後まで見てくれてありがとうございました。
ありがとうございました。
Make today magical and
have a marvelous day. See you, minasan, in the next video.
Bye.